Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Simply Earth. This is both the September box and a bonus box, all wrapped into one. On top there is a card that talks about what the big bonus box is. Your big bonus box includes carrier oils, coconut oil, beeswax, and containers to help you make recipes for the next 6 recipe boxes. Each month you'll still receive your recipe box jam-packed with 4 essential oils, recipe cards, containers, and more fun extras. So about every 6 months you do get one of the bonus boxes, and it's a $40 value, and it tells you what that includes. So this is my September box. I'm going to pull that out, set that aside. I'll show you what's in here. The bonus box, we have some beeswax, also have some coconut oil, some almond oil, and some more coconut oil. This is fractionated coconut oil. And then at the bottom we do have a couple different types of containers. We have some rollers, and then we just have the little 5 milliliter droppers. And we have several of those. Let's see. So we have 6 of each, it looks like. So that's what's in the bonus box. Now let's take a look at the recipe box for the month of September. You do get a little sheet with some stickers. That way when you make the stuff you can label them so you know what goes to what. So I like that. And the recipe cards are super fun. Calming Natural Playdough. Oh, that's really cool. Jackson actually made some Play-Doh in his class, so this is something he would like to do. They're always really simple directions and ingredients, very easy to make. This month it talks about who they partnered with. Scented Sensory Rainbow Beans. That sounds cool. So we have that. Huh. Another thing Jackson would probably like to try. Ooh, I love the diffuser blends. This is a fall fresh diffuser blend. I think my favorite ones that I received were the ones that came for October last year. There were some awesome ones on there. And on the back of that one, it does talk about the October box. Cool. Next we have Calming Sock Bun. Instructions for that. Bumps and Boo-Boos Roll On. And a jewelry diffuser recipe. Cool. I guess that's what's in here. And then on the back of this card it talks about the oils that are in this month and the bonus items. So very cool. Let's check this out. Oh, that's cute. It's a little braid. There we go. So yeah, you just pull on that. So you can put it on and then pull these back, and then that will adjust to your size. And it has these little terracotta, I guess it is, that you can drop the essential oils on and then you can wear it. Oh, they're little clay beads, it says. So you can put 3 drops of tangerine and 3 drops of the Bumps and Boo-Boos blend to make your jewelry diffuser. Love that. We also have an empty little 5 milliliter bottle in here for one of the recipes, and then our essential oils. So this one is tangerine. Also have cypress, cedarwood, and the Bumps and Boo-Boos blend. Very cool. So those are the recipes this month. Lots of really fun stuff. I really enjoy the subscription box. If you guys are interested in trying it, I have a promo code below. I believe you get a gift card after you sign up for a subscription, so I'll put all the details in the description box. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.